extinction and silenced song. This is a tale of loneliness and of lost memories. This is the tragic and most unfortunate tale of the Kauai bird. On the Hawaiian isle of Kauai lived a very small songbird. Through the trees this bird did fly, singing its sweet song. But even the Kauai bird could not escape the harsh reality of time. Everything that ever existed, even the good, must come to an end. Though the forest was bountiful, it could only hold so many. The Kauai-o'o's home soon became occupied by predatory invaders. The Kauai-o'o bird could no longer survive such an environment, and its numbers began to dwindle. Alone stood the last Kauai-o'o bird. His song was filled with pain. His last breath signaled the extinction of his species, and his mating call could only be answered by memories.